This video is going to be a review of the Fullmosa quick release watch band. This thing comes in 4 different sizes: 18, 20, 22, and 24 millimeter, and it also has a tool to help you put the band on your watch. Inside the package you have both pieces of the watch band and the tool. This thing comes in 6 different colors: red, black, dark blue, pink, brown, and dark blue. So the way you decide what size you need is you measure your watch from the inside points of where the band is. So that would be going from here over to here. In my case, it is a 20 millimeter band. This band is made out of 100% calf leather. Real nice quality. Lots of holes, so it's easily adjustable to your size wrist. There's the tool that it comes with to assist you in removing your watch band and replacing it with the new one. So let me show you how you do that. With this watch band, I will just turn it inside out, and then I will use the tool to go in between the band and the watch to remove the spring piece. So I will take my tool and insert it inside the band and remove the pin, the 2 holes, and the bracket, and the pin that I removed. So you remove the pin from both sides of your original watch band. If you need to, take your fingernail and press it against the band so that you are able to reach the pin. The new watch band comes with pins already inserted in the band, so you will just insert it into your watch, press the pins in, insert them into the holes, and this is the final result of the Fullmosa watch band. It's beautiful, very stylish. So easy to change the band. Again, it comes in 6 colors, so if you wanted to change this to match your outfit, it would be extremely easy to do. To take it off, quick release, pull, remove, and there it is, the Fullmosa quick release watch band. Extremely easy to change. Looks incredibly beautiful. Shiny bracket over there. Nice detail, nice pattern. And that completes my review of the Fullmosa 6-color, 100% calf leather watch band. It's beautiful. It's got a nice pattern, nice shiny clip, beautiful detail, lots of holes. It's easily going to fit everybody. Quick release, so it's very easy to adjust for everybody.